drum, drum. G is for elephant, elephant. E is for egg, egg. F is for fish, fish. F is for fan, fan. G is for goat, goat. G is for grapes, grapes. H is for hat, hat. H is for horse, horse. I is for igloo, igloo. I is for inchworm, inchworm. J is for juice, juice. J is for jump, jump. A is for kite, kite. K is for king, king. L is for lion, lion. L is for leaf, leaf. M is for monkey, monkey. M is for moon, moon. N is for nest, nest. N is for net, net. O is for owl, owl. O is for orange, orange. P is for pig, pig. P is for pen, pen. Q is for queen, queen. Q is for quilt, quilt. R is for rabbit, rabbit. R is for ring, ring. S is for snake, snake. S is for sun, sun. T is for tiger, tiger. T is for tree, tree. U is for umbrella, umbrella. U is for up, up. V is for van, van. V is for vest, vest. W is for whale, whale. W is for water, water. X is for x-ray, x-ray. X is xylosome, xylosome. Y is for yak, yak. Y is for yo-yo, yo-yo. Z is for zebra, zebra. Z is for zoo, zoo. Now we've sung from A to Z. Let's clap and cheer. 1, 2, 3. Sing it again, slow and clear. Learning letters is fun to hear.
ABC Kids.